They have some pieces like Coach Sherwin mentioned Tumika, but yeah, isa lang yung bola. That's one. Number two, it seemed like they ran out of steam once Zamboanga regained their second win in that third quarter. Felicilda, floater is up. No good. Minute and 22 left. Hernandez, dire-diretso. Dadagdagan na naman niya yung kanyang output dito. 30 points.
30 na yan, no?
37 nung laban sa Imus.
67 points so far in the last two games.
Last two games.
For SDM. Haba masyado. Sniper de Mexico.
Sakto sa Lunes sa SJDM tayo, ha?
Yeah. Saan yun?
San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
Bulacan.
Yun.
No, dalawang Bulacan team natin eh. Sino home court niyan?
May Kawayan.
May Kawayan. Si Coach Jonathan.
Abangan nyo yan. That's on Monday, but Zamboanga.
The aggression of the whole Zamboanga team. And just a small sample size. Itong si Rex Gabat, but everybody has been aggressive on defense. Limiting, obviously, itong Iloilo to only 71 points. They're rebounding the basketball so much that they have 26 offensive rebounds, able to convert those offensive rebounds to 23 points and score quickly on the other end with 37 points.
Di pa tapos. Sniper de Mego. 32 and counting for Levy. Levy knocks down the bonus. So silang dalawa ni Ian Melencio yung bukod taming mga manlalaro. Back-to-back.
30 something.
Oo. Getting their first victory here after losing out their first two games. At naibaw nila itong Iloilo in the second half. 74, Zamboanga at the moment victory.